we are going to build our header here. Now, first of all, I need to create a section. This section I'm creating here will appear on all the websites. If you click on contact page, you will still see there's like a sticky header. I'll click on this plus sign. I'm going to select this, a single section. Then I don't want it boxed, I want it full width so that it will stretch. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just to adjust the height. If I say minimum height, it will be too big. I can reduce the height, reduce it a bit so that it will look like a normal header. Now I can change the background. I can change the background color. Let me use my color. I like this color, blue. Let me use blue. I'm using blue. Now I'll click on this icon here, these 9 squares that you can see here. Click on it to go to Elementor features. I want to take this inner section and place it here so that I can have 2 sections inside, one for my logo and one for the menu. Now this line that separates the 2 rectangles, you can adjust by dragging. I want to reduce it, I drag it. Now one section will have my logo, the other one will have the menu. So I can just full width, I want it to be stretched, full width. Now going back to that place again, that 9 square, I'm going to pick an image here. So then click on it to select a logo from my library. I will select a logo from my library. I've added some pictures here, so I'm selecting this logo here. Select, that logo is there. Now on this other section, clicking on this 2 divisions section here, that hashed colored box, gives you access to adjust any division that you want to adjust. Here I'm going to click the feature again, that's the 9 square, to go to the feature. I'm looking for a nav, that's navigation menu. So I'm using Elements Kit. I'm going to drag and drop this one here inside it. Once it loads, it will prompt you to choose the menu that you've created in the dashboard. I'm going to select my primary menu. The menu that I've created will be loaded here. Now if you look at this thing, I have this now. You can see the nested ones that I placed inside each other gave me this drop down. Now I can look at this element too, another nested one, because I've dragged all these 3 to the innermost part of entertainment. Now you can style it. You go to our styling. I can adjust the height. Menu item style. Menu item style. I want the color, the typography. Let me make it bigger. Family. I like popping. I'm going to use poppings. Now the size, I can increase this size. It's too big. Just adjust it in such a way that now I want it bold. I don't need to transform line height. I don't need that one. I'll go back. Sub menu style. That's the sub menu. This sub menu inside it. Indicator. I can have plus to change that indicator. This thing. I can also use fill arrow. Let me go for fill arrow. That one is better. Now, if I go down, item text color, I can change it to white. That is for the drop down. Oh, it's not good. Let me choose blue. That's in blue I've chosen. I'll choose blue. Hover on it. Yes, you can see. Now I'll go down. I can go down. Now the over, I can change the normal This is a normal, it's normal like this. Now when you hover on it, what should happen? I can change it over. Let's say I can change the color to yellow. Let me see how it looks like. When you hover on it, it changes color. As you can see, it is changing color gradually. Sub menu border, you can play with all these things to see how their effect is. Now mobile menu logo. The logo, this logo on mobile menu, you can leave the settings as they are. I want to place it at the center. Click on this. Then when you are through with what you're doing, just click update. If you view your website here now, if I refresh, what I've just done is what I will have here. I've removed all this. Just hold on, let it refresh. So I'm building a website, a landing page. Yeah, you can see. So this is the active one. You can change the color by going to Elementor here. You can change the active menu style. This menu style normal. You can see the active here. Let me change the active to let's say white. Let's see. I've not chosen the color. No. Okay, I need to go back. So I go to the background, border, typography, the layout, style, background normal. Click on this. Can change the color, can select something, can change that one, change it. Let's see if I make it white. Okay, just play with it. So I'll click on this 9 squares to load. I'll add a section. Full width. Now I'll go back to that place, look for icon, or let me use heading. I'll call this one about us. I'll give the styling. I'll make the color white. The typography,